Okay. If anybody gets this video much, me and Dylan got separated from everybody about 4 hours to 5 hours ago. We're freezing, we're in the storm. So we finally found the spot we're gonna seek shelter. Over here. Oh, guys. If anybody finds this video, Dylan right now, I know I'm exhausted. I can't go any farther. Dylan. It's the only thing we've had to survive on. There's cigar. And there's can of truly. He's not holding us down either. It won't last as long. But tell everybody we love them. Well, that was so bad for all the things we do anyway.